Having the family over for an outdoor cookout definitely makes the weekend good, but with an outdoor griddle, that cookout becomes great. If you're looking for the best outdoor griddle for you that's available on the market today, here are 5 excellent options we found. Here are the top 5 best. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the Royal Gourmet GB4000. The Royal Gourmet GB4000 is an impressive outdoor griddle that excels in both design and functionality, making it a fantastic addition to any backyard cooking setup. With a spacious 4-burner design, it offers a generous 36-inch cooking surface that can accommodate a wide variety of foods, from breakfast favorites like pancakes and eggs to hearty dinners such as burgers and stir-fries. One of the standout features of the GB4000 is its powerful output, with 48,000 BTUs spread across 4 stainless steel burners. This ensures even heating and allows for quick cooking, perfect for larger gatherings or family meals. The griddle heats up quickly, providing excellent temperature control for precision cooking. The construction quality is commendable, featuring a sturdy frame and durable griddle top that withstands outdoor conditions. The grease management system, complete with a removable grease cup, makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you to focus more on cooking and less on maintenance. Assembly is straightforward, and the side shelves provide additional prep space, enhancing the overall cooking experience. The Royal Gourmet GB4000 also includes a built-in ignition system for easy startup. However, do note that it's not the most portable option. Its performance and cooking capacity make it well worth it for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking. The Royal Gourmet GB4000 is a reliable and versatile outdoor griddle that delivers excellent results, making it a must-have for any grill enthusiast. The 4th product on this list is the Cuisinart 4-burner gas griddle. The Cuisinart 4-burner gas griddle is a standout choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, offering a spacious cooking surface and reliable performance. With its 36-inch griddle top, it provides ample space to prepare a variety of dishes, from breakfast favorites like pancakes and eggs to lunchtime staples such as burgers and sandwiches. One of the key highlights of this griddle is its 4 powerful burners, delivering a total of 40,000 BTUs. This ensures even heat distribution across the cooking surface, allowing for efficient cooking and excellent results. The adjustable burners give you precise temperature control, which is essential for achieving the perfect sear or sauté. The construction quality is impressive, featuring a sturdy stainless steel frame and a durable, non-stick cooking surface that simplifies cleanup. The griddle also includes a grease management system with a removable grease cup, making it easy to maintain a clean cooking area. Assembly is relatively straightforward, and the included side shelves provide additional prep space, enhancing the overall cooking experience. The built-in ignition system allows for quick and easy startup so you can get cooking without hassle. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient griddle that caters to both casual cooks and serious grillers alike. Still haven't found the best outdoor griddle for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Traeger grill's Flatrock. The Traeger grill's Flatrock is a versatile outdoor cooking appliance that takes griddling to a new level, combining the benefits of a flat-top grill with Traeger's signature wood-fired flavor. With its spacious cooking surface, the Flatrock is perfect for preparing a wide array of foods, from breakfast staples like eggs and bacon to savory dinners like stir-fries and burgers. One of the standout features of the Flatrock is its dual fuel capability, allowing you to choose between gas and wood pellets for flavor and convenience. This flexibility means you can enjoy the smoky richness of wood-fired cooking or the ease of gas grilling, depending on your preference and cooking style. The construction quality is excellent, featuring a sturdy, heavy-duty steel body and a high-quality, non-stick cooking surface that makes cleanup effortless. The adjustable heat controls enable precise temperature management, ensuring even cooking across the entire surface. Additionally, the Flatrock includes built-in grease management to keep your cooking area clean, and the side shelves provide ample prep space, enhancing your overall cooking experience. However, do note that it will take up an ample amount of space in your backyard, as this griddle is substantial. The Traeger grill's Flatrock is a well-designed griddle that caters to both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts, providing delicious results every time. The second product on this list is the Weber Gas Griddle. The Weber Gas Griddle is a fantastic addition for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, offering a versatile and high-quality option for those who love to grill, sauté, and sear. With a generous 26-inch cooking surface, this griddle provides ample space for preparing a wide range of foods, from breakfast favorites like pancakes and bacon to delicious dinners featuring stir-fries and grilled veggies. One of the standout features of the Weber Gas Griddle is its powerful heat output, with 2 burners that deliver a combined 20,000 BTUs. This ensures quick heating and even temperature distribution, allowing for precise cooking and excellent results. The griddle is also equipped with adjustable temperature controls, making it easy to achieve the perfect sear or gentle simmer. Construction quality is a highlight, featuring a durable stainless steel body that withstands the elements and ensures longevity. The non-stick cooking surface simplifies cleanup, while the built-in grease management system helps keep your cooking area tidy. Assembly is straightforward, and the compact design makes it easy to store or transport. The addition of side tables provides extra prep space, enhancing the overall cooking experience. However, do note that the Weber Gas Griddle's lid can be a bit flimsy. Overall, the Weber Gas Griddle is a reliable and efficient choice for anyone looking to expand their outdoor cooking capabilities. Its combination of performance, durability, and versatility makes it a must-have for grilling aficionados and casual cooks alike. Whether hosting a barbecue or enjoying a family breakfast, this griddle delivers delicious results every time. Before we reveal the top outdoor griddle on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, the top outdoor griddle is the Blackstone Original Griddle Station. The Blackstone Original Griddle Station is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, offering a spacious and versatile cooking surface that elevates your grilling experience. With a generous 36-inch flat-top design, this griddle provides ample room for preparing a wide array of dishes, from breakfast favorites like pancakes and eggs to sizzling dinners featuring burgers and stir-fries. One of the standout features of the Blackstone Griddle is its powerful heat output, with 4 burners delivering a combined 60,000 BTUs. This ensures rapid heating and even temperature distribution, allowing you to cook multiple items at once without worrying about hot spots. The adjustable heat controls provide precise cooking options, making it easy to achieve your desired results. Constructed from heavy-duty materials, the Blackstone Griddle Station is built to last and withstand the rigors of outdoor cooking. The non-stick cooking surface simplifies cleanup, while the integrated grease management system helps keep your cooking area tidy. Assembly is straightforward, and the griddle includes side shelves for extra prep space, enhancing your cooking experience. The included push-button ignition makes starting up a breeze. However, do note that the amount of plays in the control knobs can provide a bit of a learning curve for new users. The Blackstone Original Griddle Station is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to expand their outdoor cooking capabilities. Its blend of performance, durability, and versatility makes it a must-have for backyard chefs, tailgaters, and camping enthusiasts alike, delivering delicious meals with ease. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button, and if you can't wait for the next video, check out these 2 that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic Techs You Can't Live Without videos.